In the energy business, discovery is only half the battle. The real value is in delivery. At Max Power, the 475-kilometer Genesis trend sits directly on the doorstep of industrial demand. And in the heart of this trend, we have just confirmed Canada's first natural hydrogen drilling discovery, now moving to resource modeling and estimation. Max Power is strategically positioned along Saskatchewan's key industrial corridor. This isn't just a map. It's a major supply chain of heavy industry built around world-class resources, agriculture, manufacturing, and logistics. Power users hungry for clean, baseload energy. Hydrogen demand, and the potential for more of it, is significant in this industrial corridor that has helped make Saskatchewan an economic engine for Canada. Natural hydrogen from Max Power would be a natural fit. Max Power, turning natural hydrogen into industrial reality. Join us in Saskatchewan.